Hello, hello everyone! Hello beautiful people! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyong lahat dyan. So, once again, welcome back to my channel, Arby Wanderlust. Of course, today my vlog is cooking again. I love cooking, you know. So, okay, let's heat the oil. Okay. So, ang aking menu, my menu for today is very simple but full of healthy. And napakasustansyang pagkain. Vegetable. So, magluluto tayo ng kalabasa, sitaw, talong, at may pechay. So, ayan. Ginataang kalabasa. So, ang pangsasabaw ko sa kanya ay purong gata. Coconut milk. So let's cook the garlic. Alright, inuna ko pala yung onion bago yung garlic. So ayan, kailangan lutuin muna natin ang bawang at sibuyas. After that, just add the shrimp. Yan, shrimp ang aking sahog, mga langga. So, meron akong 7 pirasong shrimp. So, very simple dish but full of healthy. Punong-puno siya ng sustansya. Of course, vegetable, pampahaba ng buhay. Vegetable is long life. You know, you eat more vegetable, your life is long. Alright, just add shrimp. Yan. Meron akong 7 pirasong shrimp. So, ayan, luto-lutuin natin. You can mix again until the shrimp is totally cooked. So, alam nyo naman mga langga, once again, I always mention to my video, you must cook your own food. Don't always order and to the fast food chains, and don't always go to the restaurant for buying your food. So, just add on my spices. Of course, powder pepper, garlic powder, and some paprika. So, yan yung mga aking mga secret ingredient. Secret ingredient, pero nakikita nyo na, diba? Mga langga. But I don't put any magic syrup or Ajinomoto. Just put only 1 pinch of sugar. So, that's it only. And then, I just add the kalabasa or squash. Yan. Squash is pampalinaw ng mata. Good for the eye. You eat more squash. And then, you more, your mata is growing good. Going good. Yan, lagyan muna natin ng konting coconut milk after that. So, mamaya natin ilagay ang natitirang the rest coconut milk. So, you can halo-halo, you can mix again. So, it's very simple mga langga. Ayan. Pero napakalasa. Too much tasty. Tastier, savory, and everything, etc. Diba, mga langga? So, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, sa aking mga YouTuber, kapwa ka-YouTuber. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you very much to your support and watching on my video. Kahit ang video is ganito lang, but full of love, of course. So, just add on 1 can of coconut milk. So, di ba, tingnan nyo, ang lasa-lasa na. And just add on also the sitaw, string beans, and eggplant. So, later, I add pechay. So, ganyan lang. Sobrang masustansya na. Sobrang sustansya niyan mga langga. So, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Siyempre, shout out ko ang aking Team Solid Kalangga. Langga Make the Day. Langga Emily 19 Official. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa support niyo sa aking premiere. Every time na nagpi-premiere ako, andyan po kayo parate. Kahit late pero humahabol. Kasi alam kong mga busy din po kayo dyan. So, no worries. I understand. So, shout out to all my, to my lovely friends over there. So, let's cook until, just add on the pechay, of course. Green leaf is the best our body. Of course, yun, nalaglag pa yung isang tangkay. So, ayan, mga langga. That's my menu for today. Squash, long beans and eggplant and pechay, diba mga langga? Super healthy ng food ni RB Wanderlust. Sobrang healthy niya. So nakikita niyo naman ang aking mga food, more on more on vegetable, and sometimes I have meat, but siguro ang meat kumakain lang ako niyan in 1 week is 1 time. More on gulay and fish, and of course I love fish and vegetable. So sometimes I eat meat, but not all the time. I cannot eat meat always, because it is very more cholesterol. So that's it. Just shout out again sa inyong lahat dyan. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to like and share, and mag-subscribe na rin po kayo. Yan, salamat po sa mga suporta ninyo, sa mga panonood niyo aking video. So very simple lang ang aking video, but full of love. Yeah, that's it. Ang aking mga kalangga dyan, maraming salamat sa inyo. So well done na po ang aking ginataang kalabasa na may sitaw, talong at pechay. So maraming salamat. Bye. Take care. God bless you all.